Create your own 3D product configurator in just a few clicks. Let's get started with Thridify. Log into your Thridify admin panel. From the left sidebar, click Add New Product. Fill in the product details. Product ID, EV Bike Product. Name EV Bike. Upload your 3D model file. Then click on Customize. Once uploaded, your 3D product appears on the screen. Ready for configuration. On the top right corner, click Open Configuration. From the left panel, select Materials. Click Add Material. Name it EV Bike Body. Upload your textures or materials and click Save Material. Repeat the same for other materials. EV Bike Grip. Click Add Multiple Designs above it to include multiple texture options for each material. Save all materials when done. Go back to the product configurator. Under Finishes, select a material, for example, main body. In the material library, search and select your saved materials. Click Save Materials. From the left options, choose Hotspot. Click on the area you want to tag. Let's pick the seat. Add details, title, seat. Add a suitable description like, it's an adjustable seat. Under Single Animation, select the animation you want to control. Set screen visibility to hit and click Save Details and then Publish. Click Preview and reload. You'll now see your hotspot added and your product configuration live with multiple material options. Your 3D product configurator is now ready. Experiment with materials, animations, and more. All in Thridify.